Hello everyone, welcome to Maths classes. Today let's solve question number 2 in exercise 4.1, chapter Quadratic Equations, class 10 NCERT Maths. The topic is representing situations in the form of quadratic equations. Represent the following situations in the form of quadratic equations. The area of a rectangular plot is 528 meters square. The length of the plot is 1 more than twice its breadth. We need to find the length and breadth of the plot. They are just asking to represent the situation in the form of quadratic equations. For all these problems, you should represent the situations in a form of quadratic equation. Let's see it. They have given it is a rectangular plot and the length of the plot is 1 more than twice its breadth. That means the length is depending on what? Breadth. As length is depending on breadth, so let us assume breadth first. Let breadth of the plot, breadth of the plot is x meters. Okay, and now they have given length is 1 more than twice its breadth. So length of the plot will be what? Length of plot is 1 more than, that means 1 plus more means plus, twice its breadth. Twice means what? 2 times. Twice is nothing but 2 times. So length will be 1 plus 2x. 1 more than, more means add. For what? For twice its breadth. Twice its breadth means breadth is x. Breadth is x. Twice its breadth means 2x. Okay. They said 1 more. So plus 1. So length will be 1 plus 2x. We have breadth, we have length. They already gave area. Area is what? Area of the plot is 528 square meters. They gave area of, they have given area of rectangular plot is 528 meters square. It is rectangular plot. That means what is the formula of area? Length into breadth. They have given as 528 meters square. Length is what? 1 plus 2x. 1 plus 2x into breadth is what? X. This is equal to 528. So x into 1 is x plus 2 into 1 is 2. X into x is x square is equal to 528. So if 528 goes to left side, it what will get? X plus 2x square minus 528. If you want to represent it in the standard form, what is the standard form? Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. This is the standard form of quadratic equation. Here a should not be equal to 0. Let's represent it in this form. First you have x square term. So you should write 2x square plus, next you have x term. X is only x plus x minus 528. So now you are able to represent the situation in the form of quadratic equation. If you compare with the general form, a is equal to 2, b is equal to 1, c is equal to minus 528. A is not equal to 0 here, a is 2. That means the given situation is represented in the form of quadratic equation. Next problem. The product of two consecutive integers is 306. So they have given the product of two consecutive integers as 306. We should represent this in the form of quadratic equation. They are telling consecutive integers. Consecutive means if 3 is one number, its consecutive number is nothing but 3 plus 1. That is 4. Okay. Two numbers which are next to each other are called consecutive numbers. 4, 5. 100, 101. 99 and 100 are also consecutive numbers. Either the number after it or the number before it. Okay. So, let us assume, let one number is x. They are telling consecutive positive numbers. Consecutive numbers. That means the other number will be what? Let us assume the next number. You can assume the next number or before number. Let us take the next number here. If one number is x, the next consecutive number will be x plus 1. Okay, now they have given product of two consecutive numbers. One consecutive number is x, another number is x plus 1. They are telling their product is 306. Given product of two consecutive positive numbers is 306. So, for us one number is x, product means what? Multiplication. So, x into x plus 1 is equal to 306. So, x into x is x square, plus into plus is plus, x into 1 is x is equal to 306. If 306 comes to left side, it will become x square plus x minus 306 is equal to 0. Now, if you want to compare this with general form of quadratic equation, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, a is not equal to 0. So, here you got a is equal to 1, b is equal to 1, c is equal to minus 306. Now, you are representing this equation in the form of quadratic equation. Next question. Rohan's mother is 26 years older than him. Rohan's mother is 26 years older than him. The product of their ages 3 years from now is 360. Okay, this situation you should represent in the form of quadratic equation. If you observe here, Rohan's mother is 26 years older than him. That means Rohan's mother's age is depending on whom? Age of Rohan. Because Rohan's mother's age was 26 years older than him. Okay, so you should first assume Rohan's age. Let age of Rohan is equal to x. Okay. Then mother's age will be what? Mother is what? 26 years older. 26 years older means what? Next after. Okay. So x plus 26. Mother will be big than Rohan, right? So it is plus. Older means big, right? So 26 years older they said. So x plus 26. They said product of their ages 3 years from now. Okay, 3 years from now. Product of their ages. This is the current age. This is the present age of Rohan. And this is the present age of her mother. At present. Okay. They are telling from 3 years. After 3 years, their product will be 360. So, first, after 3 years, Rohan's age will be what? Present age is x. After 3 years, age will be x plus 3. Present age of mother is x plus 26. After 3 years, mother's age will be what? You should add 3. That means x plus 26 plus 3. You will get x plus 29. So, 3 years from now, we are able to find Rohan's age, mother's age. Now they are telling product of their ages 3 years from now is 360. Product is what? Product of ages after 3 years is what? 360. So, product means what? Multiplication. Rohan says after 3 years is what? X plus 3 into mother says after 3 years what did we get? X plus 29. Product, so multiplication is equal to 360. First with the first term you multiply. X into X, X into 29. X into X is X square plus 29X. Next multiply with 3. 3X plus into plus is plus 3 into 29 is equal to 360. X square 29 plus 3 is what? 32x plus 3 into 29 means 60 plus 27. 87 is equal to 360. If 360 comes to left side, what you will get? X square plus 32x plus 87 minus 360 is equal to 0. So we will get x square plus 32x, 360 minus 360 plus 87. What do you get? 360 minus 60 is 300. Again you subtract 20, you will get 280. If you subtract 7 again, you get 273. So minus 273. This is the quadratic equation. See, degree of the equation. Degree of the equation is what? 2. 2 means degree is 2 means it is quadratic equation. The other way is ax square plus bx plus c. Compare with general form where a is not equal to 0. This is the condition. So it is same, right? It is in the form of general equation. If you compare, you will get a is equal to 1, b is equal to 32, c is equal to minus 273. So you are able to represent the given situation in the form of quadratic equation. Next, a train travels a distance of 480 kilometers at uniform speed. What is the distance? 480 kilometers. If the speed had been 8 kilometers per hour less, then it would take 3 hours more to cover the same distance. If they are telling what? If the speed is 8 kilometers per hour less, the time will be 3 hours more. Okay. So, first they have given distance traveled by train is what? How much distance did it travel? 480 kilometers. Okay, this is distance, so let it be D. We know that speed is what? Speed is equal to distance by time. Okay, that means speed, if you assume it is S, is equal to D by T. This is the ideal scenario. That means if it travels with a distance, if it travels for distance D with a speed S, it will take time T hours. Now, they have given distance is what? 480. Then it will take how much time? T hours. Now they are telling that if speed has been 8 kilometers per hour less, that means speed decreased by 8 kilometers per hour. So, speed, current speed will be what? It decreased by 8 kilometers. So, S minus 8. Then they are telling what? Time. Current time will be, they are telling time it will take is 3 hours more. Actual time is T hours. Now they are telling it will take in this scenario 3 hours more. That means T plus 3. So you will get S will become what? S minus 8 is, distance is same, 480 by T plus 3. Okay. Here, if you observe, T is what? T is 480 by S. Okay. Let us substitute the value of T here. S minus 8 is equal to 480 by T is what? 480 by S. Here, 480 by s plus 3. Okay. Now this denominator, if it goes to left hand side of the equation, it will come into numerator. So s minus 8 into 480 by s plus 3 is equal to 480. So if you take LCM, what do you get? 480 plus 3s by s is equal to 480. Next step. S is in denominator here. If it goes to right side, it will go to numerator. S minus 8 into 480 plus 3s is equal to 480s. So multiply s into 480 is 480s. Next s into 3s. You will get 3s square. 8 into 480. Minus into plus is what? Minus. 8 into 48 is 320 plus 64. Means 384 into 480. So 0. Next. Minus into plus is minus. 8 3s are 24. S is equal to 480. Yes. You have 480s on both sides. Left and right. So it will get cancelled. So the equation is what? 3s square. After s square you will get s term, right? So let us write in order. Minus 24s minus 3840 is equal to 0. So if you observe, degree of the equation is what? 2. Degree is the highest power. Degree is 2. So it means this is a quadratic equation. You can also compare with general form of the quadratic equation. X square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. The condition is a should not be equal to 0. If you compare, what do you get? A is equal to 3, b is equal to minus 24, c is equal to minus 3840. The quadratic equation we got is what? 3 s square minus 24s minus 3840 is equal to 0. This you can directly tell this is a quadratic equation because degree is 2. This quadratic equation we can further solve. See, 3, 24, 3840. 3 you can take common. All these are 24 is divisible by 3, 3840 is divisible by 3. Let's check some of the digits. 3 plus 8 is what? 11. 11 plus 4 is 15. 15 plus 0 is 0. Some of the digits is 15. 15 is divisible by 3. So 3840 is also divisible by 3. We can take 3 as common. You will get 3 into, if you take 3 as common, you will get s square. 3 8s are 24. So 8s minus 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 8s are 24, 0. So next step will be, if 3 goes to right side, here it is multiplication. Here it will become division, 0 by 3. So s square minus 8s minus 1280 is equal to 0 by 3 is nothing but 0. This is also, this we have reduced this. We have further solved the first quadratic equation. We got this. This is also a quadratic equation. How can you tell that? If you check the degree of the equation, it is what? Degree is highest power of the variable. Variable is s. Highest power is 2. Here you have 2. Here you have 1. Highest is 2. So degree is 2. Degree is 2 means it is quadratic equation. What is the other way of telling? You compare with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, which is a general form of quadratic equation. The condition is a should not be equal to 0. Then you get what? A is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 8, c is equal to minus 1280. So you got a is equal to 1, which is not equal to 0. It is in the form of quadratic equation. So we are able to represent the given question in the form of quadratic equation. This equation is correct and this equation is also correct. If you take 3 common, the equation gets simplified and then you get s square minus 8s minus 1280 is equal to 0. Thank you for watching the video. Like, share and subscribe.